Main Campus Solutions page will open up. To enroll, find Manage Classes and click on it. On this new window, find Class Search and Enroll on the left-hand side and click on it. Select your semester, and a new window will pop up. In the Search for Classes box, just enter the subject, class number, or class name. Find your class from the list and click on it. The Review Class Selection window will open when you make your choice. Once you confirm you have the right class selected, click on the Review Class Preference tab on the left-hand side of the window. On the Review Class Preference window, you can choose to be on the wait list if the class is full, or add your permission number if you have one. Just click the Accept button on the upper right-hand side of the window when you're ready to proceed. The Enroll or Add to Cart option will appear. Just make sure the Enroll option is selected. Then click on Review and Submit, located on the left-hand side of the window. On the Review and Submit page, make sure everything is correct and click onto the Submit button on the upper right-hand side. A pop-up will appear. Click Yes if everything is correct. A confirmation page showing your enrolled class will appear, and you're all done. Need help or have any questions? Just send an email to helpdesk@cc.peralta.edu.